LEGO is on fire because they've released so many Marvel sets, including the 2 sets from the previous 2 Marvel Spider-Man films, such as the Far From Home here on the right hand side, as well as this one should be Far From Home, this one should be Homecoming. Also, there's the No Way Home down here. These 2 are the more accurate ones, so to speak. Let's see if it holds true, because I also have the previous versions right here, such as the Voucher from Homecoming, also Mysterio from Far From Home. Also, there's the Sanctuary 2 from Endgame, includes Captain Marvel, Iron Man Mark 85, as well as the mini Thanos. As you know, I'm a pretty big Spider-Man fan, as you can see behind me already, so I'm really excited to open these 3 Spider-Man box sets. Also, you can check out my LEGO Marvel minifigures review and unboxing of the whole set in the link down below. As always, please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, Marvel Hot Toys, in the Slayer vlog, etc. This one we'll be checking out the Homecoming set first. We've got the Voucher here, as well as the black and gold suit Spider-Man. Don't know why it's here instead of being in the 3rd movie. Put a glimpse of the suit in the latest trailer. On the back, we're seeing more action here with the black and gold suit Spider-Man fighting the Vulture, and also with the mech at the back. The Vulture is definitely a bit more accurate in comparison to what we have got last time. You guys a quick comparison after I've opened and assembled everything. Speaking of which, I actually have the comic version as well, which I have not yet unboxed. I'll be opening this box down the line as well. So we got stickers, the instruction manual, as well as the 3 packs of Legos. First pack is pretty much just building Vulture. Second pack is the Spidey and the main body for the drone or mech. And the last one is just finishing the mech off. Right, so I've literally just finished building it, so let's go through the Spider-Man figure first. There are tons and tons of details with the black and gold suit, similar to the previous Hot Toy preview that I have shown you guys. There are tons of these techie areas within the layers of the web. Picked it in grey here, so a lot of details as you can see already, whether it's for the head, the torso area, as well as the legs and waist. And also let's take a look on the side as well. It's got the similar motif as well on the side printing for the arms, so it's pretty nice, and on the right side as well. And I really like the golden webbings, whether it's on the head or the body or as a whole in general. And I think the Spider-Man logo in gold just makes it stand out so well. And let's have a look on the back as well. Even bigger Spider-Man logo in gold, and complemented again with all these grey areas with the more techish motif, and it's pretty cool as you can see with the head. So much details, it's just great looking. I'm just really thankful that this figure is looking so great, so I'm not just buying this box set for the updated Voucher, but also for the Spider-Man figure as well. And it's really great, it comes with the same colour, i.e. the golden webs and stuff. Next up, we've got the Voucher. So initially when I was building it, I can see already the torso area as well as the pants, i.e. the legs area, are just so great looking. They really do depict the Voucher's outfit in the movie, i.e. Michael Keaton's character, as well as the oxygen mask. So much more accurate in comparison to the flat one that we've had previously. And also with this visor, it's really great looking. Also with the torso area, it comes with the furry bits as well as the buckles and everything that kind of clips together in different colors as well, may I add. So it's really great. Also with the head, it comes with 2 expressions. Let me just take it off to show you guys. On one side there is the glowing eyes mode, i.e. the Vulture in action, and also if you switch it to the back, there is the normal mode. For me personally, I will definitely have this side on because I love the green eyes, and also it's just great looking. It's a lot more menacing. And in terms of the wings, I quite like this update because number one, they've got the stickers here and there with the different areas, i.e. the body of the wings as well as the tips of the wings. So I think it's a more accurate portrayal of the tag and the individual wing or feather pieces, should I say. It's all here, and also we've got an updated engines as well on both sides. So for this one, it actually spins, which is pretty cool. And again, they've got the all-rounded pivots as well, as you can see here. Quite a nice function for maneuverability. Switching to the back, it's a bit plainer, and also we can see the back of the main body of the wings. So some nice details here, and let's do a quick comparison with the old Voucher that we've got from the first Homecoming movie. And here we are, side by side, or one's on top of the other, should I say. So first of all, let's go through the color scheme first. Both are emerald green, complemented with some black as well as grey pieces here. But on the new one, the grey areas are depicted by sticker form, so it's not as bulky or as big area-wise. And I really like the sticker details because it's, number one, more condensed and to the point. Secondly, it doesn't take up so much space. Secondly, with the feather areas, I really like the individual pieces with the update because the sticker form really gives more details as to how the wings are designed, as opposed to the bland and blank pieces here, as you can see at the top. It's the immersion factor that really counts. The engine areas with the previous old design, it's just a hole here in the middle, as you can see where my pinky is. I like how the engines can pretty much rotate. One thing I like about the previous version is that the back piece is actually more detailed in sticker form as opposed to the singular piece down here at the bottom with the update. So I do think this is one of the better areas of the design from the old one. For the minifig itself, the new one on the left and the old one on the right. New one, the color is more accurate, whereas the torso leather jacket area, also with the details of the leather jacket, the fur on the neck, the zipper, the belt, etc. is all nicely crafted here, printed on. Previous version is just all black, so lesser details. For the head area, more apparent, as you can see there is the oxygen mask that they have put in place as opposed to the singular piece that they have printed on previously. And it's quite a fun way to interact with the visor as opposed to the flat head here on the right hand side. With the eyes, I think it's more menacing in the new one. If we remove the helmet, you can actually see the entire face of Voucher in the previous one here on the right, and on the back of the old one there is nothing. New one seems to be giving a greater depth of detail as opposed to the old one here on the right. We have got the mech here. There are the pillars, all four of them, surrounding the legs area, which is pretty cool or functional as well. And also they are complemented with these same motif as we've seen on the black and gold suit Spider-Man here. With the head area, you can kind of see the eyes here, and also it opens up here, as you can see with this big gold piece. You can bend it open, just bang in your Spider-Man. We've got two guns here that can shoot the little pellets of Lego, as usual with all the Lego guns. And also at the top, you can see the Spider-Man logo in gold here. And also on back, I really like this piece actually. It actually flaps up. The sticker design is really great as well. Let's flap it up. And also there is some mini storage at the back here, so it's used for storing silver peas here. Spaghetti thing that I have mentioned, you can actually stick your Spider-Man onto the spaghetti piece. When the drone flies up, you can just hang onto this piece and fly along with the big drone. It's pretty fun. So guys, so what do you think of this box set? Do you like the updated Voucher better, or do you like the previous version better? Comment down below and let me know. And also, what do you think of this mech as well as the black and gold Spider-Man here? Please kindly like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this. Lego, Marvel, Hot Toys, vlogs, stuff that I do and like. Hope you have a great time on my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe and yeah.